Today is Thursday, January 16th. We're in week 3, day 5 of the official Couch to 5K training program. Walkers, today you have a 25-minute walk. Runners, today you have a rest day.
Yesterday we asked you if you had any questions. The first one that came in was, should I eat before or after a workout in the morning? And the answer
is yes! So I'm going to answer the part of the question about eating before exercise. As a general rule, you should eat about 1.5 hours to 2 hours before you exercise. Now, that's going to be a little bit harder if you're exercising at 5 o'clock in the morning. So if you're doing that, just make sure that you get up and get something in so that you have something to burn while you're exercising.
You should also eat after you exercise. This allows your muscles a chance to recover and repair, and also allows you to keep your blood sugar at stable levels.
And keep the questions coming!